Black roll. Black roll. Black hole. A region in space with gravity so strong that even light can't escape. Milky Play. Milky Play. Milky Way. The galaxy that contains our solar system. Shooting car. Shooting car. Shooting star. A bright streak of light caused by a meteoroid entering Earth's atmosphere. Red ant. Red ant. Red giant. A huge, aging star that has expanded dramatically. White wolf. White wolf. White dwarf. A small, extremely dense leftover core of a dead star. Blue balloon. Blue balloon. Blue moon. The second full moon in a calendar month. Super noodle. Super noodle. Supernova. A powerful stellar explosion that can briefly outshine a galaxy. Space vacation. Space vacation. Space station. A large spacecraft where astronauts live and work in orbit. Solar sister. Solar sister. Solar system. The sun and all the planets and objects that orbit it. Moon landing. Moon landing. Moon landing. When a spacecraft successfully reaches and lands on the moon. Star bluster. Star bluster. Star cluster. A group of stars held together by gravity. Planet birth. Planet birth. Planet Earth. The third planet from the sun and our home. Gas giant. Gas giant. Gas giant. A huge planet made mostly of hydrogen and helium. Dark master. Dark master. Dark matter. Invisible matter believed to help hold galaxies together. Asteroid belt. Asteroid belt. Asteroid belt. A region between Mars and Jupiter filled with countless rocky objects. Cosmic crust. Cosmic crust. Cosmic dust. Tiny particles of matter floating through space. Ring umbrella. Ring umbrella. Ring nebula. A glowing shell of gas surrounding a dying star. Fire call. Fire call. Fireball. A bright meteor that glows intensely as it travels through the atmosphere. Butterfly nacho. Butterfly nut. Butterfly nebula. A colorful cloud of gas and dust shaped somewhat like butterfly wings. Worm goal. Worm goal. Wormhole. A hypothetical shortcut connecting to distant points in space and time.